Hi, I'm Phil. I'm here talking with Orion from Horton Brasses, and we're talking about no-mortise hinges. And I think the first thing that we need to clear up is what's the deal with a no-mortise hinge?
The biggest advantage of a no-mortise hinge is in the name. You don't have to cut a mortise to hang a door. On an inset door, that's a huge, huge time saver.
I find that it's also a lot easier, speaking as a woodworker, of being able to size the door too. You get your gaps set just right, and you're using the mortise or the hinge to do it.
Our hinges are 3/32 of an inch thick. So if you're cutting your door, 3/32 inside your face frame on all four sides, perfect gap every single time without fail.
Yeah, you know, one of the things that a lot of other types of hinges that you don't get that you do here is just how well made the hinge works. You know, there's no slot between the leaves.
Yeah, we really think the details matter. If you're making a cabinet with inset doors, you're putting time and effort to making sure everything's right, and you will notice little details. You will notice a difference in the gap. So our hinges are machined out of very thick metal. When you open up the leaves, there's no movement, there's no wiggle. When you put these on your doors, when you're done, it looks as good as a mortise butt hinge with a lot less labor, and it should last generations.
Right. And another thing that's a good advantage here is that you do have a little bit of adjustment because two of the holes in each of the hinges are slotted, so you can dial in that perfect fit.
Yeah, a slotted hole to move the door up or down, and then another one to move the door in or out. Generally, the order you would install two hinges on each door with one screw, with the adjustable holes filled, and then dial in your door, get all your door fitted, and then drill the other holes and put the rest of the screws in, and you should be good to go.
You know, there's one other detail about a no-mortise hinge that some people can overlook, and that's to get the best operations with the hinge is you want to add a slight back bevel to that hinge side of the door. You can do that at the table saw just by angling the blade, or you can use a hand plane and just making some angled passes across the edge of the door. And when you do that, you're going to have a door that works just as well as it looks. And all that with the no-mortise hinges from Horton Brasses.